it's not a fable, Mabel. It's easy to make industrial labels. Hello, this is Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites. Sorry for the corny rhymes, but you need labels for your workplace. Safety labels, warehouse markings, chemical and arc flash warnings. New operations, large and small, really need labeling, and most established businesses have an ongoing need for new labels because things change. Your labels need to change too. You could order from a printer and wait for the proof, and then approve it, and then wait for the printing. Oh yeah, not only will you have to wait, it can be expensive, very expensive. Solution? Use an industrial label printer. It's the fastest and can be the most cost-effective solution in the long run. Every work environment needs some amount of labeling. Think about these categories. Safety signs, such as warning labels on dangerous machines, labels for fire equipment, labels listing PPE requirements. 5S and lean labels. If you're implementing an efficiency program or plan to, labels you create can help create your visual workplace. Warehouse markings. Labels on shelves and aisles can help with organization. Labels directing traffic, such as forklifts or other vehicles, can prevent collisions. Pipe markings. Most pipes need to have labels of certain lengths, colors, and text. Arc flash. OSHA requirements say signs must alert workers to these kinds of electrical dangers. Don't get caught without them. Chemical labels. The new GHS regulations require specific information on all hazardous chemicals. Okay, those are the categories. Now time to pick the physical aspects of your label. Do labels need to be made of certain materials? Most industrial labels work best made of vinyl. They're good indoors and outdoors, and they're long-lasting. Do you need to create custom designs? While most labeling systems come with label templates, make sure you can customize them to suit the needs of your space. Next, find a place for your printer. Keep it in a location where it won't be exposed to dirt and chemicals and other typical stuff in the workplace. Train employees on how to use the printer or designate a few crafty workers to be in charge of making all labels. Others then can submit all requests for labels to those folks. Now you know how valuable and important an industrial label printer can be, so run out and buy one. Of course, we'd like you to consider one of the many offered from Creative Safety Supply, but the main point is, go get yourself a quality label printer. It will pay off in the long run. Oh, and here comes a label being printed now. It says, "That's all for this episode. Come back for more tips and techniques on how to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements." I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, sponsored by Creative Safety Supply. See the website at creativesafetysupply.com.